Hi, I'm Rayadonna from the Neural News Network. Today, we're diving into a major shift happening with Amazon's Alexa. Amazon is replacing its own AI with Anthropic's AI model, Claude, in a new upgrade they're calling Remarkable Alexa. This change promises more advanced, natural conversations, but it also comes with some surprises. So, is this the next big step for smart assistants, or is Amazon taking a gamble? Let's find out. Amazon has been working on this upgraded Alexa, internally known as Project Banyan, for quite some time. Initially, they used their own AI technology, but things didn't go as planned. There were reports of serious lag issues, up to 6 or 7 seconds in some cases, and that's just not acceptable in today's fast-paced world. So, Amazon decided to switch things up and bring in Anthropic's Claude, a model known for its ability to understand context and maintain more natural conversations. Amazon has invested $4 billion in Anthropic, so it's no surprise they're leaning on Claude's tech for this new version of Alexa. But here's the catch: this upgraded Alexa will be offered as a paid subscription service, costing between $5 to $10 a month. That's right, unlike the classic Alexa we've all used for free, you'll now have to pay for these new AI-driven features. Amazon is betting that the added capabilities, like handling complex multi-step tasks and offering more personalized interactions, will be worth the price. But asking people to pay for something that's been free all along is always a risky move. Some insiders at Amazon are skeptical about whether customers will go for it, especially when many are already paying $139 a year for Prime. So why is Amazon making this change now? It all comes down to money and competition. Despite Alexa's popularity, the voice assistant division hasn't been generating the revenue Amazon wants. By introducing a paid version, Amazon hopes to turn Alexa into a revenue-generating machine. This move to partner with Anthropic also marks a shift in Amazon's strategy. Normally, Amazon likes to build its own tech from the ground up, but with the rise of competitors like Microsoft and Apple integrating AI like ChatGPT into their products, Amazon probably felt the pressure to step up their game. So, what can we expect from this new Alexa? It's designed to integrate more seamlessly with smart home devices, remember user preferences, and even offer special interactions tailored for kids. However, there are also concerns about privacy and data collection with this more advanced AI model, something Amazon will need to address. Beyond Alexa, Amazon is also making strides in AI robotics and internal tools like Amazon Q, showing that they're doubling down on AI across the board. It's clear that Amazon is pushing to make their services smarter and more integrated, but it also means we'll be seeing more AI in our daily lives. So, what do you think? Would you be willing to pay extra for a more advanced version of Alexa, or do you think Amazon should keep it free? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.